Aminado ang Department of Budget and Management na hindi pa nila matukoy ang kabuang halaga ng pinsala sa bansa dahil sa bagyong Yolanda. Sa kabila nito, pinag-aaralan ng ahensya ang panukalang baguhin ang pambansang budget sa susunod na taon para sa mga gagastusin sa rehabilitasyon. Narito ang ulat ni Elena Luna.
Pinag-aaralan ng Department of Budget and Management ang pagbabago ng panukalang pambansang budget para sa susunod na taon. Ayon kay Budget Secretary Florencio Abad, matatagalan pa ang pagbuo ng assessment sa naging pinsala ng bagyo para malaman ang mga kailangang pondo para sa rehabilitasyon.
I don't think that the budget process can wait for that assessment to come. So therefore, we do have to inject flexibilities within the program appropriations and anticipate in the unprogrammed appropriations how much more funds do we need or will come in by way of soft loans or even grants that will be given to the country that can be used for the reconstruction, rehabilitation and reconstruction.
Ayon kay Secretary Abad, hindi sapat ang nakalagay sa 2014 budget na 7.5 billion pesos na calamity fund. Maaari aniyang madoble o matriple ito, depende kung saan maaaring makakuha ng dagdag na pondo.
There is a proposal to just set up a rehabilitation and reconstruction fund for the Yolanda damage. That is something that we are looking at and see how we can put this in the budget and at the same time introduce qualifications so that its use can be undertaken with greater facility rather than going through all the procurement difficulties.
Magiging bahagi aniya ng kanilang nakatakdang meeting ang magiging mga panukala ng ibang cabinet officials para sa gagawing rehabilitasyon. Habol ito sa sesyon ng Kongreso para maipasa pa rin ang pambansang budget ngayong taon.
Congress is just reconvening today and so we will take advantage of the rest of the days that it will be in session to be able to introduce those changes that we need to make to accommodate the requirements of rehab and reconstruction in the future.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.